Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about Achain. But before I get to the video guys, I want to do the YouTube stuff. I'm trying to hit my goal of 2,000 subscribers, so please guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment, have a conversation guys. So please do that. Now let's get into the video guys. Achain, with the ticker is ACT, ranked number 1,078 on the list. Currently trading at 0.00615 with a market cap of $6.1 million. But before trading, getting part of this cryptocurrency, you got to know what it is. So let's jump right to their website, building a boundless blockchain reality. Achain is a public blockchain platform that enables developers of all levels to issue tokens, create smart contracts, build decentralized application and blockchain systems. Achain is committed to building a global blockchain network for information exchange and value transactions. Now, where you guys can get a part of this at, get it on KuCoin, Huobi Global, OKX, Indodax, BitBNX, and Hit BTC. So some of them I've not used, guys. So if you have used some of the other basically exchanges, let me know. Tell me what your experience is. Let the community know in the comments. But let's get to their price rating. So they do have a price rating, guys, even if it's ranked 1,078. But they are ranked with a triple C by Stable Outlook. So it's in the top 20% of cryptocurrencies. So it's outperforming a lot of others. And it does have a rating. So that's a whole lot better than a lot of the cryptocurrencies. Not saying it's a bad one, but we'll have to look at the details. If you want me to go over the details, guys, just let me know. We can check that out. But let's also get some to the CoinMarketCap news. So let's see, Kraken CEO, Lambas, Canada's. Oh yeah, have you heard about the Canada system about what's happening with cryptocurrency? That's crazy. But I don't see anything directly for Achain. But let's get to the website again. So if you guys want to look at their white paper, which I suggest you do before jumping into a cryptocurrency, read their white paper, read about their ecosystem, learn about more about the crypto, check out their website. See how they are about their addressly, that anything. Just read about their website, understand what you're getting into, see what the roadmap is for quarter 2022. So see how you can trade it, guys, with platforms. Well, let's hit to their Twitter page, guys. 129,000 followers, so big following, huge following. And it shows you about some of the daily gainers on crypto. But guys, please follow me on Twitter, Andre J. Mcclendon. I talk about a lot of political stuff that I do not talk about on this YouTube channel for YouTube reasons. But other than that, guys, let's get to my price prediction, guys. So here's my price prediction for this cryptocurrency. Let's look at the big scale, the big view of the crypto first. Check the monthly. So this crypto has been extremely volatile, and it looks like it's been taking some punishment. This is basically for the Tether, and it looks like it's possibly slowing down or possibly going to break down lower. And lower can be very painful. So if we go in this cryptocurrency, typically that's what I'm going to be looking at this price going a lot lower. Let's head to the weekly, zoom in a little bit. So if you look at this peak in value, you can see that it's been ramped up, pushed back down, ramped up, pushed back down. A lot of powerful wicks of people selling off and possibly shorting. Right now, there is some little bit of support being built. Now, this can be temporary, and it's holding just because of that, but we might head down lower. So my initial reaction is not to buy in. I don't want to buy into some other players who have way more money than I do, move this to a higher price for a lot longer period. Something like this. See how this is really good, really healthy build? Selling off. But there's a lot more build up to this. This is just like a spike up, and it might just be a temporary pullback. So let's zoom in a little bit, zoom out a little bit. It might end up just doing this. Ooh. I just want to make sure before even thinking about getting in that there's more structure, there's more information about it. Because right now it's just heading, looking like it's heading a lot lower, guys. So right now, my price prediction will be this. If this trend line maintains, then it's most likely going to go down to this price zone. We can see 0.0015. It's just about that zone. So my price prediction is going to be in this little box, 1.599. And it's really difficult to break down like anything else if it goes higher because it's so volatile and doesn't maintain prices so long, especially when we're looking at the weekly. So if it does do that, guys, then yeah, it might head down lower. But if I'm wrong, which is fine, it happens all the time. I'm not 100% when it comes to trading. I don't think anyone is. So if someone claims that they're always right, they're BSing you. So on the upside, if I'm wrong, it might hold this position a little bit longer by building structure. I don't know how long it's going to build structure, but it might last for a few days, for a few weeks. If it does that, then I can come back to this video, if you guys want me to, and we can see that it might reappear and reattack to this high right here. That's basically 1.012 if it heads up that high. But if not, I do see it lower. So because my price point is about 1.0015 cents. So yes, if you have any question or comments how it came to that, remember I will be doing price alerts. I'll be price alert at my current price prediction. If I'm wrong, I can adjust it and place another price alert above this high, which is 0.007, and up to about this high point right here, where the buyer should be kicking in, which is 0.009. Any questions or comments, guys, let me know. Drop it in the description box below. The description box in the comments, and I'll get to it. Please check out my website. I have updated. I put the United States on there. I'm only on the United States. I haven't got everything out, but this is in the economy and stuff like that. But I'm putting a whole bunch of other statistics in there, so you guys who are looking at the U.S. debt clock or the AAA prices, stuff like that. You guys can all look at that. When it comes to my home website, guys, get started. If you want to look at being a client, or if you guys want to subscribe, please do that. When it comes to indicators, guys, if you're looking for indicators that back tested, just check these, or you guys look at down here for the websites for indicators, or you guys can check out making a custom indicator or AI trading robot. But that's it, guys. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.